Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to delete account in League of Legends. In order to delete your League of Legends account, you need to open up a ticket to Riot Games. After the ticket is open, they will delete your account. In order to open the ticket, open up your browser. From here, type Riot Support, then hit enter. After that, open up the website of Riot Games Support. After you have got into the website, make sure that you have logged in with your ID. After that, scroll down to the bottom of this page until you find submit a ticket. Left click on it. From here, choose League of Legends. From here, you'll need to choose a request type. The request type will be account management, data request, or deletion. After that, you need to fill up a few sections. Firstly, the platform you're playing from, so it will be PC. Subject will be I want to delete my account. Your inquiry type will be account deletion. Now you need to acknowledge all the three steps from here. So firstly, acknowledge that there is a 30-day waiting period. Acknowledge after 30 days are up, I will no longer be able to access this account. And acknowledge that this request will delete all my information across all Riot Games. After that, you need to describe your situation for why you want to delete your ID. After you have described your situation, you can also attach any files or images that you want to support your decision or description. After that, submit a ticket, and within 1 or 2 business days, Riot will confirm you through your email that your account deletion process has started. And if you would like to stop the process, you can do it in that 30-day time period. So this is how you can delete your League of Legends account easily.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.